our third day in Singapore and we're heading towards Novena, Velocity. It's just 5 minutes away from our hotel. So, ayun lang nga. This is our second day OOTD and I don't know, I'm just surviving kasi nawala yung wallet. So, I lost my wallet yesterday around 6 to 6:30 p.m. sa may Merlion. So, later, pupunta kami sa police station. So, nandun lahat ng pera ko. Roughly 600 Singapore dollars. Plus lahat ng credit cards. So, kalungkot ba? I'm thinking positive na lang. So, we're at Velocity. Jollibee! Nakakain na ako kagabi. Jollibee! Ate Kinisha! Oh, donkey. Papay's.
Kung chicken dito, gusto ko chicken dito.
Papay's. After 10 years. Mama, Daddy, smile. Grabe kasi ang mahal ng Papay's dito. $47. Nashock si Daddy. 25 pesos yun. 5,000 yun. Ito lang. Let's see kung why. Let's shop! Kaya ang laksa na yan. Sayang ng price niya. Ang laksa yun. Favorite. Iba. Super sarap. Kasi yan. Mga pinunta natin dito. Gusto ba ito ni Kinisha? May mga Coco Crush din pala dito eh. Oh, KitKat cereal. Oh. Mama, oh, KitKat cereal. Gusto kaya ni ate ito. Oreo cereal. Si ate. Ano mo, masarap eh.
Tigla-bindalawa kayo.
Ma, ito yung binili ko na. Baka sarap nito. Ano yan? Yung laksa na insta. Ay, maanghang yan. Okay, let's find the Irvin's Old Town Coffee. Ayun, gusto ni Kyrie, oh. Oreo na chocolate yung loob. Dark and white chocolate. Chocolate cream. $3. Ngayon, ang gusto ni Kyrie. Oreo Coca-Cola. Ngayon, kay Papa. Ang pasalubong ko. Gusto niya. Ito. Sa mga bata. Kinder Joy. Plain milk. Yeah. Super sarap. Spicy salted. Ayun. Wala siya gusto ko. Ayan. Pasalubong sa aking mga pamangkin.
Hello, Patrice.
Ayan, binili ko yan galing Daiso, Japan. Itong malaking to. So, ayan na. Nakabay na ako ng mga pasalubong. Let's go! Sarap! Let's mukbang. The mangosteen. Siyempre, walang ganito sa Japan. Product of Thailand.
Hindi, mabigat kasi yung
Ayan.
grocery.
Kami! Sarap, grabe. We're here at Haji Lane, Arab Street. Dami siyang souvenir.
Merlion.
Yung mga gusto ni Kyrie. We're here at Arab Street. Ayan, ano siya, oh. Oh, ang ganda dun, oh. Waffle. So, papalamig muna kami. Ito ang bestseller. Mango pomelo with crunchy pearl. Sarap. Grabe. Tamis. Crunchy pearl. Mango pomelo. Super sarap. Tamis. Tamis na hindi peke. Lasa talagang mango. Na matamis. We're here at Haji Lane. Diretso kanan, diretso lang. Jollibee. Wow. Jollibee. Ito, matig na mo $5 lang dito. Doon, 7. Sa amin ni Kinisha. We're here at Bicheng Yang. Ito, favorite ko to. Medyo kamahalan lang. 2,500 yun isang ganito. Mahal siya. Pero papatikin ko kala Daddy. Freshly grilled. Ba ito? Yung kanilang jerky. Beef jerky. dinner time. Wala kami ginawa, hindi kumain. So, I'm gonna eat duck for dinner. Oh, so yay, dinner for today. Ito for me ni Daddy kahapon.
Naku, problema pala yan pag umulan, basa.
Lagi nangyayari yan.
Hotel Royal at Newton. So today is our basically last day. Like not mine, my last day. I will tell you later, but I will review about this hotel, Hotel Royal at Newton. This place area is very nice. Why? Because in front of the hotel, right in front of it, is a Montessori preschool. I must say that it's very safe because, you know, it's a school. May school dito. A little bit residential area kasi may mga parang condominium. But, yun nga sasabi ko, it's safe because may school, preschool sa harapan. And the mall is like 2 to 5 minutes away from our hotel. We didn't like purchase a free breakfast in the hotel because we want to try out the Singapore delicacies in the malls and local hawker centers. This place is great, Hotel Royal, because the location, as I've said, it's very near the mall. Not only one mall, but two malls. United Square Mall and Novena Square, Velocity. The negative thing about that hotel is first, there's no bidet. The second one is the Wi-Fi reception is not very good. So, good thing we purchased an eSIM. So, every time I have a bad connection, I can just use that data, my data. So, we will go now to eat brunch in the nearby mall, United Square Mall, and to shop a little bit because my favorite store, Smiggles, is there. And just an update. If you've watched my previous vlog, we went to the police station yesterday. I wasn't able to take a video because it's not allowed. But police station is very clean, nice, beautiful. And the police was very helpful and polite. Actually, it's kind of my fault. I became very complacent because I've been living in Japan for almost 10 years, so I was not alert and probably expected this place to be the same as that, but you can never say. Like, accidents happen and I don't blame anybody except me because, yeah, as I've said, I became complacent and I think I didn't lock my bag properly. After walking for 3 minutes, you can already see that other mall, the green one, that's the Velocity Mall, and on this right side is the United Square Mall. So we will go here to eat. We're eating here at Toast Box for breakfast. I'm gonna order the Kaya Toast. Yeah. Breakfast! So you need to dip it in like the eggs with soy sauce. Very yummy. Daming capybara dito. They like capybara. Smiggle is still closed. Sparkle. Ayun, capybara na naman. Cute. Buy ticket, 1 free. Oh, buwang mga anak ko dito. Okay. Ako natutuwa eh. Ay, ito maganda to. Ay, cute. Ay! Mama!
Gulat ako.
Pero talaga magkita kami dito.
Kaya ba ko si Erin, nakita ko to, kaya pinasok ko. Kala kasi yung
Bibili ko kay Kyrie. Capybara, pero tayo kasi gusto nila yun.
Meron doon yung pangsabit sa ganyan.
Ang dami nga ito po. Nagkita tayo dito. Mahilig pala sila sa capybara dito sa Singapore. Halos lahat may capybara. Ini $3 for $5. Mura. Tapos ko sa Japan, magkano yan? Oh, kuromi. Mga gusto ng mga anak ko. Kay ate kaya. Yay! Open na Smiggle! Let's go inside. Yan lang gusto namin dito. Yay! Mga anik-anik. Kaya, wala niyan sa Japan. Itong pabili ni Kyrie. Ito pabili, oh. Pencil case kasi grade 1 na siya.
Ganito
May
iniwan ko
calculator.
kay Kinika. Pero Harry Potter.
Maganda, oh.
Hindi
Gusto
section.
niya to. Yan. Yan ang mga pangarap na pencil case noon. Hanggang ngayon. Na anak ko naman ngayon. Oh, kita mo. Panalo, ito na.
Ako to.
Regalo kay Kanami sa Pasko. Kaso nga lang, wala na ang space. 40% off when you buy 2 or more products. O kaya, ano kaya pwede? Ito, tea bottle. Oh. Ganda din. Favorite color kasi ni Kyrie is purple. Ako, ni Kanami. Sa birthday niya, sa Christmas. 2,500 yen. Grabe, mahal. 2,500 yen, ganito lang kagaan-gaan. Grabe, 3,200 yen. Kaya talagang sobrang ganda. As in, walang ganito sa Japan. Sobrang cute ang lahat dito. Grabe. Ang ganda. Grabe na score ko. Ah! Very unique. Wala dito sa Philippines and Japan. So we're now here at Toys R Us. This one, I'm planning to give this to Kyrie on her birthday. This one is called Puny Rose, and this is a Tamagotchi, like Tamagotchi, but you can touch it. So this one came from Japan actually, but I'm scared that in Japan it might be in Japanese only. So if I buy it here, it's in English. 7,000 yen. Oh, I'm so happy for Kyrie. So, itong Puny Rose, dito ko lang din nalaman yan. Very new yan dito sa Singapore, as in new. Kaya ko siya binili. Number 1 is mas mura siya dito, ng 3,000 yen. And number 2 is, chinek ko doon sa website, sa Japan, mas mahal na plus, Japanese lang ang available language. Although mag-aaral naman si Kyrie ng Japanese kasi nga from next year, sa Japanese school na siya, mas comfortable pa rin siya sa pag-i-English. So, dito sa Singapore, yung language, automatic, English. So, here's the lobby of the hotel. Balik muna kami dito. Ayan, yung bag namin nandiyo dyan, somewhere. Thank you, Daddy. Iwan ko na yung box. Kasi, bulk. Ito siya. Yeah, pinilan ni Mama to 4 hours. Thank you, Mama and Daddy, for your birthday present. For the last time, because tomorrow I'm leaving at 6 a.m. So now I'm alone and Mama and Daddy already went on through their flight and I'm gonna check in early. I'm gonna try. My flight is still late tomorrow at 6 a.m. but still 6 p.m. So imagine I'm gonna wait for 12 hours. And my feet hurts. How many bags would you like to check in? So I have these and I'm alone. Check in 2 bags. I already printed my boarding pass and that tag. So it's so amazing that I can already check in even if my flight is still tomorrow, 12 hours away from my flight time. So it's amazing, but let's see if I can drop my bag so I can move around with ease because I'm alone and I have to carry all of these everywhere. Airport hopping. So now I'm in transit and I have 9 hours to waste here, really, not including the flight itself. So the flight itself is 7 hours. So where to go first? I can see as SG Hawker food area there, but I'm not yet hungry. So as of now, it's 8 o'clock p.m. So yeah, as I've told you, I'm gonna stay here for freaking 9 hours, not including my flight. So my flight is 7 hours going to Japan. And imagine, but I can stay here because it's the best airport in the world. So I'm actually excited and nervous at the same time because it's a long time to stay. I'm heading towards T3 to watch a movie or go to the butterfly garden, wherever. It's fine. Let's buy some popcorn. Thank you. Dinner time, laksa time. Maybe this is my last laksa for today before going home. Laksa time. Nauubo ko. This one is quite spicy. Kaya ganito ang itsura ko kasi 9 o'clock na. So sa Japan, 10 na. Ayan, piling siya. Dahil mukha kang pagkain. Tig-isa tayo sa'yo large. Sa kay Mami Small. Ayun na. So yung ganito is $6. So 600 yan. Mga 300 pesos. Grabe, liit. Unboxing na. Consume daw to after 2 days. So ito yung Chicago mix. And it's a mix of caramel and cheese. Sarap. At ng caramel. I'm not a fan of cheese.
Grabe ng caramel. Panalo. Kasi ate mahilig sa cheese. Grabe, sarap. Super. 10 out of 10. 6:40 yung flight ko. Okay lang, at least 3 hours before the flight or 2 hours before the flight, the least. Nasa airport na nga. And this is the world's greatest airport. So, syempre gusto mo lumibot. 6:40 ang flight. Sobrang aga. Gusto ko mag-check-in ako ng hotel. Hindi ko mamamaximize yung hotel kasi yung check-out time doon is 12. Tama. Sayang. Noon na kasi sila, if you're wondering, they're until the 22nd of September. Me, alanganin yung flight. Syempre, papunta akong Japan, siya Philippines. So, ibang flight times. I cannot choose. Kaya nagpaiwan ako dito sa airport. Ang daming magagawa. Hanggang 12 midnight. 9 pa lang. Pwede pa nga manood na sine. So, ang sakit na ng paa.
Ang lango. Skytrain. Yeah, and let's watch a movie. You wanna ask something? Just this one. Let's try like that. Hello, may I know where's the movie theater?
Movie theater, alright, ma'am. Just walk towards your right side there.
Okay, thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a great day. Goodbye.
Bye. And siya. Stick the wall. So, marami ko na itong gusto kasi dati na nag-training ako dito sa Singapore. I worked before sa Singapore Airlines. Pag pumunta ko dito, laging limited yung time ko. So, never ako nakatalagang stay nung napakatagal dito sa airport. Nakapaniwala kasi na may sinihan dito, 24 hours. So, magkakaalaman rin. Pwede kaya ito. So good. So good. Hotel Transylvania. Oh, hindi ko pa napanood yun. Okay. There's also a restaurant here. So there's a vending machine where you can find food. Okay, that's good. Because I bought from Burger King and it's so hard to score a seat over here, so I slept in another area.
카드를 이용하시는 분께